This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge. Concrete construction Key West style pool home with an open concept design and triple split floor plan. The spacious primary suite offers private access to the pool patio, tray ceiling, 2 walk-in closets, double vanity, walk-in shower, soaking tub, and a separate water closet. Formal living and dining areas flow seamlessly into the great room, centered around an island kitchen with quartz countertops, cooktop, wall oven, and stainless steel appliances, perfect for entertaining. 2 guest bedrooms share a full bath, while a separate suite with cabana bath provides ideal space for guests or multi-generational living. Enjoy outdoor living by the pool with serene wooded views and walking trails just beyond the backyard. All conveniently located close to shopping, dining, and everyday amenities. For more information, review the details below or contact Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge at 772-692-8834.